Hi, guess what we're making? One of my favorite foods in the whole wide world. I am sorry that I look like Uncle Fester, but my allergies were really bothering me and I was itchy scratchy today.
Girls!
So, but guess what we're making? Can you guess? It's one of my favorite things. Long, hot Italian peppers. That's the way you have to say it, but I'm gonna clean these, and I like to clean them before I cut them because you don't want water going in it and then all the oil going ping ping pop pop.
I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm right through the back like
all over the place. So we're gonna wash these, dry these, and then I'll be back.